Hi, this is to show you how to access Google Classroom. I want to thank you for being my sub. First of all, when you come in, you can go click this Google Chrome icon on the desktop, and this is my school profile here that you would open. And this is what will come up and what you will see. Northeast web page. You're going to want to click this tab that says login. This just logs us into the Launchpad so that if there's any other programs that are happening that we're going to be using in class, they'll just be automatically updated. So the important thing is you're going to want to, anytime you open a new tab, if you don't want another one to disappear, you're going to hit a plus sign. So this opens a new tab that you can see on the screen here at the top. On the far left, I have what's called a subfolder. Here's everything you need. If I'm ever out unexpectedly, I will have everything posted in Google Classroom, but you will have a daily agenda. You will have sub Google Classroom instructions. That's what this video is. Um, General sub plans. Usually I have those printed out for you. But here's the Google Classroom. So you'll open the Google Classroom, and typically when I have a substitute, all classes are going to do the same thing if they're a science class. So you'll want to click on this first period science. And from first period science, everything's posted with classwork. So you're going to click on classwork. And the very first thing on top is the daily agenda and warm-ups. So you can click on daily agenda and warm-ups, and you can open that. So this is obviously for a different day, but if there's a warm-up, it's there. You're going to want to then you can click on the day that you are actually subbing for me, and this is showing on my desktop computer, and we want it to show on the screen so that the students can use it. So if you look at the tab that says Daily Agenda, you're going to click on that tab, hold it down, and you are going to drag it to the right of the screen. It's going to be dragging off the monitor, and when that happens, it's going to be dragging up to the screen in the classroom. Then you can take the key mouse that I have here, and you can simply turn around and you can face the screen, and I will show you what it looks like. When you have it on the screen, you simply maximize it and you click show slideshow. And this will be on the screen for the kiddos to see. You'll read the learning target and success criteria and go through, because I will have typed out exactly what they're going to be doing in class and any homework. So of course that's going to be specific for your day that you would be subbing, and then I would have details written out in the sub plans. To get rid of that, you hit the escape key on the keyboard, and you can take and then drag this to the left of the screen, and it will come back to the desktop so that you can see it. Now, subplans, if I'm not there, if it's an unexpected illness, the typed out subplans are also in that subfolder with my login information and that stuff. But Erin Robinson, who is next door to me, she is there, and she would be able to help with all of that. So thank you for subbing. And if you have any questions, my cell phone is at the bottom, and you would be able to give me a call or text, and I can answer questions. Have a good day. I can't find the off button. Well, if I could find the off button, that would be good.